Happy 4th of July, my favorite realtor friends. We've got a mortgage update for you. What's happening with rates? I will tell you, we're at about 0.5% lower on interest rates than we were in January. What does that mean to your clients? I will tell you. Also, we're going to talk about our loan program of the week, which this week it's buy before you sell your home. How do we make that possible? And then lastly, I got an event coming up I'll tell you about that should help you in that luxury department, understanding jumbo loans, the luxury market, and how we make that financing work. So stay tuned. We'll cover it all. Rates in January of this year were about 7.25%. Now they're about 6.75%. So that's a 0.5% drop in interest rate since January. So what are the talking points you should be having with clients? I would be talking about, hey, if you were nervous about rates before, if you were nervous about the payment earlier, if we couldn't get you to the price point you want, let's take another look at it. Rates have dropped 0.5%. So get your clients reinterested. Just so you know, if someone qualified for a $500,000 home in January, with that 0.5% drop, now they qualify for about a $530,000 home. So it's about 7-8% more that they qualify for with these lower rates. So use those talking points with your clients, generate some interest. Let's look again at people who couldn't get to the price point they wanted earlier this year because the rates have fallen. So the good news in the rate world. Loan program of the week, buy before you sell. So you have a home to sell, you want to buy another one, but you can't qualify for the new home until you sell your old one. There's two reasons for that. One, you don't have money, so all your money's tied up in your old home, and you need that money for the down payment. So how do we overcome that piece? I'll tell you. And then the other problem is, if your home isn't sold and you're buying another home, now you have 2 mortgage payments, 2 house payments, and it's harder to qualify. Your debt to income ratio is going to be a lot higher. So we have a couple ways to help you with that. Number one, to get the cash out of the old home, we could do a home equity line of credit or a bridge loan to pull your equity out and make a down payment on the new home. The other great thing we can do is we don't count the current mortgage payment that you have against your debt to income ratio. As long as the home is listed for sale or you'll sign a letter of intent that you plan on selling it within 90 days, we will approve your client for the new home without counting the mortgage or housing payments on their current home. We won't count the HELOC or bridge loan payment. So really, they just need to qualify for the new home. So if you have a client that's trying to sell to buy another home, but they can't qualify, send them my way. We'll help them out. We'll see if they qualify for buy before you sell program. Lastly, next week, I have a class all about jumbo mortgages. Jumbo mortgages are complicated, so you should understand them. But at Cross Country Mortgage, we have some of the most aggressive jumbo financing available. Low rates, different programs. We have 40 to 50 different jumbo investors. So that's banks that we can send the loan to get your client qualified. So I would say more than anything, we save more jumbo deals than any other types of loans out there because the big banks are really strict and most lenders are really strict, but we have access to over 50 investors who we can work with to get your jumbo deal done. So come to my seminar. We'll tell you all about jumbo financing, the ins and outs, what to look for, and how to go after those luxury clients. So hope you're doing great. Hope you have a great 4th of July. We're around this weekend if you need us for those last second clients who didn't get pre-approved before they were looking at homes. Just give me a ring and we'll get you taken care of. Have a great weekend. We'll talk soon.